Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to use. This ensures your file saves to the right drive. Once signed in, open Sheets. Google.com or go to Drive and click New, then Google Sheets. That first click creates the sheet. Choose blank to start fresh, or pick a template if you want a pre-built layout for budgets, schedules, or invoices. Doing this first avoids permission issues later and keeps your work organized in the correct folder. Once your sheet exists, find it quickly with Drive Search, Recent, or by filtering type to Spreadsheets. This saves time versus manual browsing. If the file is another format, right-click and choose Open with Google Sheets so formulas and layout convert correctly. When collaborating, click Share, then assign Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Copy the link or add specific emails. Make sure to set the proper permission level. Editing rights change how others. To finish, verify the top left shows all changes saved in Drive so nothing is lost. Google Sheets autosaves, but double-checking prevents surprises. If you need to undo major changes, go to File, then Version History and restore a prior version. That's why incremental saves matter. If the sheet won't open, check your internet connection, clear browser cache, or try incognito to rule out an extension conflict. If sharing issues persist, confirm the folder permissions and resend the link. That typically resolves access problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.